All right, Stingrays, it's learning time. Here we are. This is technically day 3 of this lesson. So today's lesson of percent change is going to be the backwards edition. Okay, so what that means is we're going to be given the percent already and then have to find what the markup or the discount is. So let's take a look. What was our formula? Our formula was the difference. I always say difference instead of change because you have to understand you do a subtraction to get this. Over the original equals percent over a hundo, a CN. I don't know what else. Who's on the 100? Franklin? Maybe. May. Benjamin. All about the Benjamins? I feel like maybe. Okay, so this is our formula for percent of change. Difference over original equals percent over 100 because you know why. Now, my example problem. I've already been given we're going to call it a mark up, so price up. So the original price is, is there room down here if I write it? No, we're good here. So original price is $35.75. You're the store owner, and you're getting this shirt, you're getting these pair of pants for $35.75. Now, this is the awful truth. Stores mark up from where they get it. That's how they make money. Okay, they're gonna mark it up 65% because they're the hot new pants. Everybody wants them. Okay, so they're gonna mark them up 65% to get as much value out of them as they currently can. So $35.75. That's our original price. Very good. Okay, that's our original price. That's what the store bought them at. $35.75. Now, we don't know the difference. Okay? We don't know the difference because the difference is then going to lead us to our answer. Okay? Our final price. We do know, however, our percent. So we've been given a 65%. And percent is always over 100, no matter what. We don't know the difference. The difference is not our answer. I want you to pay attention. The difference is not the answer. The difference leads you to the answer. Okay, so I messed up the first time, so we're doing it again. Here we are. This is our setup. Okay? The difference over 35.75 equals 65 over 100. This is our percent. Okay, 65%. Now, just like you know, okay, cross multiply, then divide. Okay, next year when Pierre asks you, what'd you learn in 7th grade? Cross multiply, divide. Just say cross multiply, divide. Cross multiply, divide. It'll get you by. So, let's do our math. 35.75 times 65. Gets us a big number, and I'm going to use all of it. Okay? So it gets us, what's that, 2,000? Okay. 2,323.75. Okay? Use as much of that as you can because the next step is simply divide by 100. Okay? I wrote that down, but I wouldn't write it down if I were just doing the math. I would just keep it in the calculator and then divide my answer by 100. And that would get me 23.2375, and I can round that from there. 5 or above, give it a shove, makes this an 8. 8 makes that a 4. So now, I have $23.24. That's the markup. Okay? That's the difference. That's the markup. So, what's the final cost? This is what I was talking about. This right here is the final step. This is not the answer. This leads you to the answer. So if I have a markup of 23.24, $23.24, a mark up. Up means I'm going to add. Okay? So I take 35.75, I add it to 23, 24. Okay. I get a 9, I get a 8, and I get a 5. $58.99. That's our final price for those pair of jeans, okay? The store bought them for $35.75 and they marked them up 65% for $58.99. You're going to buy them for $59. They're going to make a $23 profit. Okay? Example number 2. Okay. Boom. Back for problem number 2. Now, you're smart. You know that they're doing this. So you know you're going to buy a nice jacket. You're going to buy a nice jacket for $82. So you know that they've already marked it up like, what, 65%, 40%? So you're coming in with a 35% discount coupon. Okay? That helps you a lot. So, our formula, difference over the original equals percent over 100. Now, we don't know the difference. Okay, we don't know what the difference is. The difference is going to lead us to our final answer. We know the original. The original was 82. Okay, our percent is 35. Now, I know what you're saying, Mr. Nugent, we kind of did something like this. Yes, we did. We did do this before. I forget what it was with, but yes, we've done this. This is just another way of showing you how to do it. So you have your cross multiply divide. Cross multiply divide. 82 times 35. 82 times 35 gets us 2,870. Just like I said before, I'm merely writing that down so you can see what the answer is. Okay, I would keep this all on a calculator. I wouldn't write it down unless I wanted to, unless I wanted to track my progress. Next thing I do is divide by 100. So 2870. I'm saving a total of 2870. Now, that's not my final answer. That's not my final price. My final price is 82 minus 2870. Okay, which I will just do in a calculator. Gives me a final price, $53.30. Okay, so that was a discount. That was a mark down. So that's why I subtracted. Discount means down. Mark up means add. Okay. Thank you. Okay, so that was our problems for today. I gotta find a worksheet that does it like this. But then tomorrow it's going to be a preview of the quiz, and then Friday will be quiz. Thank you.